Senate Democrats want to hold back some Supreme Court funding until the justices create what's being described as a clear and enforceable code of ethics. In a letter to the Appropriations Committee, 15 lawmakers wrote, Congress has broad authority to compel the Supreme Court to institute these reforms. And during disputes, some courts have encouraged Congress to withhold appropriations, which can act as a powerful incentive for action within the executive branch. Nothing in the Constitution mandates that the judiciary be treated any differently when Congress is faced with judicial recalcitrance. The senators are urging the Appropriations Committee to add a stipulation into the 2024 funding bill that would hold back $10 million in Supreme Court funding until they create a code of ethics with set parameters, including how they'll publicly release information about recusals. Republicans are accusing Democrats of trying to hold back funding the Supreme Court specifically requested for security.
We had 15 Senate Democrats, including 6 members of this committee, send a letter to the Appropriations Committee threatening to cut off the funding for security at the Supreme Court. The left is willing to threaten the lives of the justices.
Democrats say they've helped pass bills that enhance security not just for Supreme Court justices, but for all federal judges.
We have an obligation to protect them, and it was Attorney General Merrick Garland who has provided round-the-clock security for Supreme Court justices from the U.S. Marshals at their home, which I think is entirely proper, so there's no question about the bipartisan commitment to their safety.
If the Senate tries to hold the money back, the House would have to agree to it, likely leading to a negotiation or stalemate. Straight from D.C., I'm Ray Bogan.
Thanks for watching. In this time of media mistrust, Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. It's the way news should be. Welcome to Trustworthy Journalism. Join us at straightarrownews.com.